The number one problem in flamenco I hear from dancers wanting to learn flamenco is actually the compas, right? The compas is the beat, the rhythm in flamenco, and it can be really frustrating that you can't hear it. So the best way to incorporate that compas in your body is actually to listen to solo compas, you know, that's like the metronome, and start playing palmas along with it. Because if you can hear where that 12 is, takatan, and 12, ba-bam-bam, ba-da-da, takatan, and 12. Once you start hearing that, identifying that just in the solo compas, then you can move on to playing palmas along with simple guitar music, and then you can move on to playing palmas to an actual flamenco recording or live music that has cante, that has singing. And then the last thing you need to do is try to play palmas while watching flamenco on YouTube. Go down that rabbit hole and start playing palmas along with your favorite dancers.